Hi there. In this tutorial lesson, we're going to set up our environment in order to develop this custom theme. I said in the last video that it is a PSD theme that we're going to convert into an HTML and CSS theme. And to develop this theme, we do need a server. What is a server? A server is what will contain our website files. And in our case, we want to use a local server. And where to find this local server? And by the way, please, if you are not beginners, be patient. So I have to explain that to those who are beginners. And where to find, I mean, um, the server to download. I mean, for Windows, okay, you can find, I mean, web server. So this is what I use. Okay, so I'm gonna leave all the links in the description of this video. Okay, and what you're gonna do, just click on download. Okay, and so as you can see, couple of seconds to wait, and after that, boom, you will have this, I mean, to download. Okay, but I have already the web server installed and I'm gonna cancel it. But this is how to do this in Windows. I mean, for Windows users. Okay, and if you are on Linux, so this is the link. I'm gonna leave this link in the description too. Okay, and for Linux users, you're gonna click download. Okay, um, and that's it. So it requires to sign in, and you will sign before downloading. I mean, if you want, okay, or you can say no thanks, and you will have your lump server download. Okay, so I don't use I use Linux for all the thing, but I'm gonna cancel it. But if you are a Linux user, so you can install it. And finally, if you are on a Mac, so as you can see, this is you see if you're on a Mac, okay, this version is for Windows, but also you can install the version for Mac, okay. And as you can see, the program is, I mean, is downloading right now. So guys, this is it about local server. And after downloading, what you want to do, you want to click on one of these. So if you are, for example, a Windows user, you will click on it and follow the instructions in order to install your local server. And by the way, if you have trouble installing one of these, you can, I mean, leave a comment after the description of this video, and I will find a way to answer you as quick as possible. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to start your local server. So after installing, I mean, your local server, for example, if you are on Windows, you will see this icon. This is the web server icon. And what you want to do, you will either double click on it, or you can search here for web server. So I think here this is more easy, and I will double click on it. Okay, double click on it, you will click yes, and on the right corner, okay, you will see this icon. This will be red first of all, and secondly this will be, the icon will be a little bit orange, and finally it will be green. So it has to be green to be okay. And what you want to do next, you want to click on it. Okay, and after that you see this, I mean this folder, www directory, and you will click on it. Okay, and it will open. So this is here you want to put, I mean, your website files. So um each one of these folders represent, I mean, a site. Okay, and what you wanna do, you wanna right click new and create a new folder, and you will name it PSD, okay, lowercase PSD to HTML, okay, and enter and double click in here. Okay, in this folder you will put all your website files. So that's it guys for this part, and I'm gonna show you in a while how to access the link, okay, to build our custom theme. And from now, how to show the link of your website. So it's very easy, no secret, guys, for those who are beginners. So you will click to create new tab and you will type localhost, okay, and slash the name of your folder. Remember, we create a folder name, I mean, uh, PSD to HTML. So we will press enter. Okay, this is how to access localhost. That's mean a local server. Okay, we access um, our local server, and we put the name of the folder that we have just created. Okay, and why we see anything here, it's because we didn't put yet anything, so we don't have any HTML in this folder. In this folder, okay, we don't have nothing yet. Okay, so for this part, that's it. Okay, guys, so from now I've showed you, how to install, I mean, uh, your local host server, how to find it, and how to access your local server, how to launch it. And from now, what we're gonna need, we do need, a text editor. A text editor is I can say is a software to type our code, and there is plenty out there, but I'm gonna show you some. For example, if we go to Google, okay, sorry, if we go to Google, okay, you can search for example, there is Atom, okay, Atom, um, so I love it, okay, this is Atom, so you can download it, okay, and this is one of three top text editor, um, and you can click to download, okay, click the download button, and you have after that um okay, wanna search on Google. Next we have also um VS Code. VS Code, this is from Microsoft, okay, for me this is the best, okay, but we have another, okay, so it support Windows, Linux, Mac. Okay, this is a really great text editor, and you have also another. I mean, the name is Sublime Text. Okay, so this is the icon. Okay, for example, if you search for Atom Text Editor. Okay, so this is the icon. For example, there's another. I have also this installed. This is Notepad++. I use it for small thing. If you I want to do a quick change, okay, I use this Notepad++. But I do have Visual Studio installed, and I do have Atom installed. Okay, so this is it guys, but you are free to use yours. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, but for this tutorial I'm gonna use Atom, okay, this text editor, and I'm gonna show you in a while um, how to use it. So for text editors guys, that's it. So, okay guys, so after choosing your text editor, for example, I'm gonna use Atom. Okay, this is the icon on my, desktop, and you will double click on it to launch it, okay, to start the text editor. And we're gonna wait a couple of seconds, okay? And while Atom is starting, okay, so we'll see Atom like this. And what you wanna do, click on File, okay, open folder, okay. So as you can see, it opened by default because I use frequently, I mean, Atom, okay, in my local server. So it already choose, I mean, the path of my local server. Okay, I've showed you before. So www, this is here to put, okay, I mean, the folder of your website. Okay, and I'm gonna search for, I mean, remember the name we give PSD. I mean, the name is P. Okay, remember P. Okay, PSD to HTML, and you will select, I mean, the folder. Okay, when you select the folder, it will be like this. Okay, as you can see, close this, close this. Okay, it will be like this. So you see nothing in this folder. So I'm gonna create, I mean, a folder here. Okay, let's create a folder. Okay, index um, dot html. Okay, so you see this is um, the first, I mean, the first file we create in our theme folder. And for example, um, we wanna type something. Let's type, for example, let's put h1 tags, for example. I'm gonna explain you in a while. Uh, let's say our custom website. Okay, and I'm gonna show you in the browser how it looks now. Okay, so let's go to the browser. Okay, okay, from here, not here, here. Okay, and let's refresh. Okay, as you can see, guys, we create, I mean, uh, uh, our first file in the folder of our site, and we says our custom website. So guys, that's it for this part. We have all our environment set up. From now, we will start building our custom theme. So this is it for this lesson. In the next lesson, um, I'm gonna start to code directly. So thanks for watching. And if you have trouble, don't forget to drop your comment below. So if you like this video, just leave a thumbs up, please. Subscribe to the channel and invite your friend to subscribe. So much love. See you in the next tutorial.